Living in a township isn't luxury, it's a lifestyle upgrade because when everything is inside, life runs smoother outside. And that's exactly what Sattva City brings to you. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the project overview of Sattva City by Sattva Group, located just before International Airport Toll in Sadahalli, North Bangalore. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. Now before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. And right now I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So this is the main entrance of our Sattva City and the land parcel starts from here itself. Goes up to 50 acres and the marketing office is just on the right hand side once you enter. So if you want to have a glimpse of the marketing office, you have to stay tuned until the end. Now let's start with the project overview via this 3D model. So the land parcel starts from here. Here's the main entrance. The project is spread across 50 acres of massive land parcel consisting of 13 towers with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 21 floors, offering you 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK penthouse premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and this project is located just before International Toll Plaza on Bellary Road in Sadahalli, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and right now I'm standing on the main entrance. This is the main entrance of Sattva City and let me show you the neighborhood. So basically this is the Bellary Road and this road over this side will connect you towards Hebbal. And the opposite side road will take you towards International Airport. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location part. So basically you can connect to Dodajala metro station in just 1 minute from your project. Upcoming Forum Mall is 3 minutes away and International Airport is just 8 minutes away from this location. Now about the amenities part, and this project offers you 200 plus world-class amenities like of, let me show you, here's a temple, a massive clubhouse, football court on the rooftop, swimming pool with jacuzzi, multi-purpose court, tropical garden and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, Sattva City offers you 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK penthouses premium residencies, where 2 BHK is of 1316 square feet, 2.5 BHK is 1580 square feet, 3 BHK is 1812 square feet, 3.5 BHK is 2244 square feet, 4 BHK is 2900 square feet and 5 BHK penthouse is 7503 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and our project booking window is open now, and right behind me is the marketing office of our site and this project. So all our interested clients are invited to our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Sattva City by Sattva Group located in Sadahalli, North Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.